Hello all, I am Varshita. Today I am going to create a two-tier architecture and host a website using auto-scaling group and load balancer. So for that, as a first step, I'm going to create a VPC here. So go to VPC and select create VPC. I'm going to name it as a project VPC. As IP address, I'm going to give 192.168.0.0 bar 24. Click on create VPC. Then I'm going to create first attach this to internet gateway. So create internet gateway for project VPC. Click on actions, attach to VPC. Yeah, now attach internet gateway. Then I'm going to create subnets, four subnets. Select project VPC. Availability zone. I'm going to create an availability zone E, US East 2A. I have already done the subnet calculation. So I'm going to give the address here. Subnet 2. '64. So usually two-tier architecture will have four subnets, which are two private subnets and two public subnets. Let me create other two also in other region. Yeah. So I'm going to give create subnet here. Oh, I'm sorry, I have given the wrong IP address. Yeah. Okay. Where have I done the mistake? Yeah, here I haven't added 0. Click on create subnet. Yeah, subnets are ready now. Let's create the route table and set the routes. My route table name will be project RT. Select VPC, project VPC, create route table. Now go to actions, Click on subnet association. I'm going to associate routes 1 and 2. Now, since I'm not going to host the website in private subnets, two subnet associations are enough for now. Go to actions, edit routes, click on add routes and attach this to the internet gateway, the gateway we have already created just now. Click on save changes. Now the VPC is ready. I'm going to click on launch templates now. For that, we have to go to EC2 console. Here, this template decides the format in which our EC2 instances should be getting created. As in auto scaling group, it will be creating our instances automatically. So we are going to give that template here. I'm going to check this box. Click on quick start, Amazon Linux, instance type T2 micro, key pair. I already have my key pair in this region. I'm going to use this. I'm not going to select the subnet here. Or I can give the region 1. Let me select it later. Since I already have the security group, I will select the security group here. I'm going to check the security group once in my VPC. So this ID, I'm going to select this security group. I'm going to check the rules here. Uh, Let me create one security group. Mm, Auto SG. We have to allow SSH and HTTP rule. So since this is a Linux server, we have to add the rule of SSH here. Select the source as this. Click on add group rule. Select HTTP here. Again give this, in storage volumes. Select GP2 encrypted. Go here. Give the user data. I already have my user data, so I'm going to use that code here. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to check once. VPC I have selected project. Yeah. Now I'm going to click on create launch template. My launch template is ready. Now I'm going to create auto scaling group. Click on auto scaling group. Click on create auto scaling group. I'm going to give ASG1. Click on the template that we all just now created. Select the VPC project availability zones. Since we are using public subnets, let's select the public ones, 1 and 2. I'm going to click on next. Load balancer, we don't have a load balancer, so I'm going to click on attach a new load balancer. Click on internet facing subnets. I'm going to use the public subnets. We don't have a target group. I'm going to click on create target group. Turn on this health checks. I don't want to wait for too long, so I'm going to give 120 seconds. Yeah, okay, let me create now. Desired capacity, I'm going to give 2. Maximum capacity, 3. No scaling policies. I'm going to click on next. I'm going to click on create auto scaling group now. So yeah, the status is still updating capacity. Let's check in EC2. Yeah, the instances are getting created now. It is showing pending. Yeah, before that I had to do something here. Go to subnets and click on actions, edit subnet settings, enable auto assign public IP. So since we haven't enabled this, we will not be having the public IP for to access our website. So now we have to delete the instances and let's wait for it to create again since we have the auto scaling groups. Yeah, I'm going to terminate this since yeah, let's wait. We will get the instances again. Yeah, it is terminated now. Yeah, it isn't getting initialized right now. So let's access this using load balancer. Yeah, we have a DNS here. I'm going to access the web server now. Yeah, we are able to access the website now through the DNS of load balancer.